Hello dear friends, good morning. I have just learned this new thing from my son, so I want to drink it. Then I have a mason jar. Seeing what I am seeing. Maybe some apple doesn't hurt, right? There are some of this piece. It's okay. I think it's just add some fiber in it. That's quite enough. Should we put apple? Doesn't hurt, I feel. You do not want to have this. Okay, I think that's enough. Otherwise, we cannot blend. Oh, already cannot blend. Put some ice. Then you add some ice, a few pieces of ice. Make it really fresh, and maybe some apple if you like. I think it goes like this. Yes, we are right. Tight and get my blender. Voila. And be very, very careful with this. Move around a little bit and then take it out. Let's see. That's good. I think I prefer this kind of style. Oh, so I prefer to drink it. It has more, more feel, more pleasure in your mouth. What do you think? That's so good. Enjoy.